gets deeper, the pigmentation gets darker, and a lot of things are happening as you mature. So what product would be the best one to use is something collagen-based to replenish your diminishing collagen through the years. This collagen, when we first started before, it was, it was beef derived or bovine. Now they now use a porcine derived collagen. The only issue I think we will encounter with this, it's not halal. Obviously, you know, for some countries, it's probably not compliant with them. Definitely, this is especially these culled pigs, and you're not going to get any of your bovine or your encephalopathy, porcine, and this because it's carefully screened. Right? So once they get the skin, they process it to remove the denopeptide. That's the end of the chain. The reason why they did this is to reduce immunogenicity. When I started out 20 years ago with collagen, you had to give a skin test. So you actually wasted 0.1. Then you would ask the patient to come back and check if there's any immunologic response. If not, then you can inject it, and you're only left with 0.9. Now this one you don't need to because they removed it, they processed it. Then they bound it as a double helix, and they connected it using glutaraldehyde. What's nice about the product, it's very elastic, meaning it gives enough support in the eye area. Okay? It's viscous enough that it will move or it will shake when you smile. Remember, the reason also the eye is the one that downgrades the fastest because we always blink. And because we always blink, there's always a lot of movement in the area which thins out the skin faster. Okay? If you get a chance